The modern world, a smarter world, driven by smart electronic appliances. Today, it's hard to imagine our lives without electrical appliances, and even harder to imagine appliances without electronics. Industry 4.0 is about connectivity. It's an opportunity to radically change the way industry responds to the needs of our current smart society. The advancement of Industry 4.0 will be driven by a smart, interconnected environment where processes of enabling of technology like AR, VR, AI, ML, drones, EVs, semiconductors, IoT will have a major chunk of the jobs. But jobs require skills. To achieve this scenario of skilling industrial manpower, the government has initiated a step forward with the formation of the Electronic Sector Skills Council of India in December 2012. ESSCI is a non-profit organization. The council is promoted by 6 industry associations with financial support by the National Skill Development Corporation. Electronic devices worth billions of dollars are built in automated or semi-automated factories across the globe. The driving force in electronics production worldwide comes from the electronic manufacturing services. The Indian electronics industry, however, is gaining momentum and is firmly on track to realizing its full potential of manufacturing, services, and designing capabilities. A significant milestone in India's sojourn towards becoming a manufacturing hub was achieved in 2016-2017, when India's domestic electronics production exceeded imports of electronic goods into the country. ESSCI forms subject matter experts groups and do deep industry consultation to develop the qualifications and create national occupational standards. These are approved by NSQC to make them as national standards before including them in various government schemes. Across our 9 subsectors, we have created 85 plus unique qualifications for various NSQF levels as of today. Before delivering any training, we make sure all the trainers undergo a structured training program of training of trainers and training of assessors prior to qualifying them for conducting any training and assessment. ESSCI has trained more than 18 lakh candidates in the last 10 years. It works closely with industry, the National Skill Development Corporation, the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and the Ministry of Electronics and IT to provide both skilling and reskilling services to the industry and academia. ESSCI has a strong network of 4,500 plus training centers across the country, covering all the states and union territories. ESSCI has more than 7,500 plus trainers and 4,000 plus assessors and is supported by over 3,000 industry partners for building an effective ecosystem. ESSCI has developed its own technological platforms for affiliations, delivery of trainings, assessments, and monitoring. We have web-based and mobile applications for strengthening the quality and reach out to masses through e-skilling initiatives. ESSCI is establishing a state-of-the-art common facility center at Alsina Bhiwadi Electronic Manufacturing Cluster. It will cater to the needs of industry in the area of additive manufacturing, VLSI design, PCB design, testing service, and certification in upcoming technologies. We have trained candidates to participate in the World Skill Competition. The journey to World Skill begins with the selection of students in different states leading to regional level competition. The training of selected national level finalists are supported by industry in various fields. For better upskilling of training resources, we have centers of excellence with state-of-the-art facilities to showcase and train industrial manpower. Here, all the industrial consultations are available under one roof. ESSCI has understood the gap between the current campus academic and industry requirements and has launched STEP for delivering industry-ready candidates for better R&D work. The profile of the new age technician is undergoing a tectonic shift. From just an average technician to a value-added one. The future is electronics. Come, be a part of it. ESSCI, skilling India in electronics.